Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to save Excel document as a read only. So let's start. This is my Excel and here you can see I have a data. So this data I'm going to save as a read only. When this Excel file save as a read only, here you can see the file name with this read only tag also you're showing, name also you're showing. Okay, so let's see how it's done. Click on the file tab, then click on the info. Then click on the Protect Workbook. Then select the first option, Always Open Read Only. Okay. After that, click on the Save As. Click on this PC and select the destination where you want to save. So I select the desktop and here I'm going to save this file. And I save this. Now I just go to the desktop and here you can see the file is saved. I just double click on it. Here you can see the one message pop up. The author would like to open the large purchase data with duplicates as a read only. Just click on OK. And that's it. Here you can see the read only file is open. Okay. So in this file, you can't save anything. Okay. So if you edit something, you can't save this data. Okay. Because file is on only read only. You just read this data, not edit. Okay. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.